right, guys. Thank you very much for Mike. So, definitely, I would suggest if you have a Hellcat 6.2, whatever, definitely, this cone filter gives you just remarkable sound. It gives you that power, that whine. And yeah, definitely all works correctly. You can buy all that stuff from the K&F, just original. Chuck it out, and what you need to do is make sure you get this thing. We still have problem. We need to solve this, to put something in to not get the rain and the water, and when you go wash that thing. So let's hear a little whine. I put the mic in here. You tell guys how is better. I put a little bit mic like that, and definitely I would say in this point, thanks for watching, and see you on the next videos. So that thing is good, definitely. So I like put a little whine.